Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into the top 10 countries where the rich are taxed like they're buying a designer handbag at full price. These nations have decided that if you're going to swim in cash, you should at least pay for the privilege of a lifeguard. But before we jump into this global game of financial Jenga, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Croatia might be famous for its stunning coastline and Game of Thrones tourism, but it's also a place where the taxman cometh with a vengeance. Here, both citizens and residents are taxed on worldwide income, with a top rate of 30%, plus additional surtaxes that can climb up to 18%. Yet, despite this fiscal fervor, Croatia remains a place where the Adriatic Sea is beautiful enough to make you forget, at least momentarily, how much you're paying for the view. Finland, a land where the air is clean, the education system is top-notch, and car owners pay taxes like they're auditioning for a role in a highway robbery reenactment. Income tax here tops out at 31.25%, but don't let that fool you. There's also a media tax and mandatory insurance levies. Yet despite the financial juggling act, Finns remain some of the happiest people on earth, a testament to the fact that you can't put a price on contentment. Welcome to Ireland, where the tax system is as two-tiered as a pint of Guinness. Here, income under €35,300 is taxed at 20%, but hit that threshold and suddenly find yourself in the 40% club. But for those who stay, the taxes fund a country rich in culture, history, and enough green scenery to make you forget about the gray skies. G'day, mates! Welcome to Australia, where the sun is hot, the wildlife is wild, and the taxes are as high as a kangaroo on a trampoline. Australia relies heavily on direct income tax, with the highest rate being a whopping $51,667 plus 45 cents for every dollar earned over $180,000. Yet despite this, Australians enjoy a high standard of living, with public services that are as reliable as a boomerang. Germany, the land of precision engineering and a tax system that's as intricate as a Beethoven symphony. Here, taxes are progressive, climbing up to 45%, with extras like the church tax and savings tax. Yet, despite the tax burden, Germany remains an economic powerhouse, proving that sometimes the secret to success is a well-conducted financial orchestra. The Netherlands, a place where the windmills turn the tulips bloom and high earners face a tax rate of up to 49.5%. Local taxes abound, including those for waste collection, street cleaning, and even houseboat levies. Yet despite the fiscal hurdles, the Dutch enjoy a high quality of life, with public services that are as reliable as a pair of wooden clogs. It's as if the Netherlands is saying, yes, we'll take your money, but we promise to spend it on things you'll actually enjoy. Belgium, a nation known for its waffles chocolate and a tax system that's as dense as a good piece of Belgian chocolate. Here, income tax can climb up to 50%, with an additional 13.07% for Social Security. Despite the hefty taxes, Belgians enjoy a high standard of living, proving that sometimes the best things in life are worth paying for. Slovenia might be a small country, but its tax system is anything but. With 6 income categories taxed up to 50%, Slovenia is not shy about asking its citizens to contribute. They've even reduced the tampon tax from 22% to 9.5%, proving that even in taxation, there's room for a little compassion. Despite the complexity, Slovenians enjoy a high quality of life, with public services that are as reliable as a good pair of hiking boots. Denmark, a country where the citizens are among the happiest in the world, despite paying taxes that can reach up to 55.9%. It's a place where taxes fund welfare and social stability, creating a society that's as balanced as a well-crafted piece of Danish furniture. Despite the high taxes, the Danes enjoy a high standard of living with public services that are as reliable as a good Danish pastry. Sweden, a country known for its high taxes and even higher levels of trust in government. Here, the top tax rate is a staggering 60.1%, with high earners paying between 49% and 60% in combined state and municipal taxes. Yet, despite the financial burden, Swedes enjoy a high quality of life, with public services that are as reliable as a good Swedish meatball. Despite the high taxes, the Swedes remain some of the happiest people on earth, proving that sometimes the best things in life are worth paying for. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. We hope you've enjoyed this whirlwind tour of the world's most taxing tax systems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, while taxes might be inevitable, understanding them doesn't have to be taxing.